Wow, gorgeous ocean. Gorgeous ocean. Right? Beautiful. The wave is pretty. It's so gorgeous in person that the pictures doesn't even give justice to it. I'm telling you guys. Uh, the rock structure is just amazing. I was able to witness the beauty of the creation of the Lord. And I can't complain. Can't complain at all. Life is good. Life is good. There's my hobby right there. Rock climbing with his sleepers. How cool could that be? Or how dangerous could that be? Oh my god. Be careful, honey. God, this is just gorgeous. I'm videotaping it. Oh my god! Oh my god, look at those. Uncomparable. Careful, baby. It's kind of slippery. That's just gorgeous pool of water right there, guys. Is it beautiful on the other side? Even better than this?
Yeah, sharp there, the rocks look.
Yeah, you need to get hiking shoes. Oh my god. Yeah.
Pretty much, man.
Huh?
Pretty much. We'll come here next week and we'll hike over to the seals.
Oh hell yeah, man. Look at the creation of God. Isn't it amazing? And who could stop those waves? Who could stop the plan of the Lord? Nobody, right? God's creation is amazing. I never doubted him. Never did. I'm climbing, so I don't know, maybe I'm climbing this rock, guys. Look at. So anyway, um it's beautiful. Beginning and the end. Right? Alpha and Omega. It's crazy. Towards the end, God is only gonna ask you if do you believe. There's two questions that He's gonna ask you. I totally believe that in my heart that He's gonna ask you, do you believe in me? That's the first question. And then the second question He's gonna ask us is, did you stand by me? Did you stand by me? By actions and by words, not just by faith. And you're gonna say, yes, I stand by you. Not just by words, but by actions. And I did spread the words. You stand for what is right, and you just did not did not do anything. And trust me, He does not want you to be a doormat at all. He wants you to spread the words, not just by words, not just by faith, but you have to stand by Him. By action. By action, when I say by action, you also mean that, you're being pro-life. You just don't say it, but you have to totally stand by him. Not just by saying, oh, you know, this and that. So it's amazing, guys. I don't know what to tell you. I was like created to witness the creation, his creation. And I'm so lucky to be given a chance. There you go. Okay, guys. I'm gonna end here. I'll see you again next time, okay? Love you and God bless you all.